Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I wish each and everyone watching me Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We are here to wrap up the year 2024 with another great content, and this should be the last content for the year 2024. So we are going to dive inside and make a positive review to see the do's and don'ts, advantages and disadvantages, the benefits of electric vehicle. So we have a lot of comment here, we have a lot of analysis here, we have a lot of blocks here, which we are going to dive inside and figure out whether electric vehicles are good to purchase and how will they sustain in the auto industry. Are they better than gasoline and diesel vehicles? This is what we are going to deliberate about. So if you are watching this video, make sure you comment, you share your idea, your thoughts in the comment section. The question is, are the electric vehicles really good? And is it reasonable for government to approve them, adopt them in the auto industry? Will it destroy the petroleum industry in the world, and how will it affect the gasoline vehicle? These are the questions. So straightforward. Electric vehicles, which is EV, have been gaining significant attention in recent years due to what? Their potential environment, economic, and technological benefits. The government around the world have been approving and even incentivizing their adoption. Let's break down what the key aspect of whether EV vehicles are good, whether it's reasonable for government to approve them, and how they might impact the world petroleum industry and gasoline vehicles. So this is the question, and this is what we are going to tell in this video. Now, what are the benefits of EV vehicles, which we call it electric vehicles? They have lower emissions. EV produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means they don't emit pollution like carbon dioxide, CO2, oxygen dioxide, NOx, or particulate matter while pollutant like while driving. This is crucial in combating air pollution and reducing the effect of climate change. They also have energy efficiency. EV are more energy efficiency than traditional gasoline vehicles. It is more important to know that for the economically they are 100%, but me you can't take anything away from gasoline and diesel vehicles, and I like buying gasoline and diesel vehicles because these gasoline and diesel vehicles are going to exist forever, and EV vehicles are not going to overtake them or destroy them at all. So you have to put them in your mind, and government in the world are not going to adopt them. Maybe it will take some years. So if you haven't a gasoline vehicle or diesel vehicle, enjoy your ride. And I always sometimes laugh at EV vehicle because charge to repair is not easy, especially like batteries and whatever. Some spare parts are very crucial, expensive to make it, though they doesn't have that much perspective, but you may know that it is very special and crucial when it comes to repair. So put it in mind, those purchasing electric vehicles. Mind and update you what is going on from gasoline vehicles and then electric vehicles. So let's move on. They have energy efficiency. EV are more energy efficient than traditional gasoline vehicles. Electric motors convert a higher percentage of energy from their batteries into driving power compared to internal combustion engines, ICE, found in gasoline cars. Now they also have a reduction in greenhouse gases, that's GHG. If the electricity powering EV comes from renewable sources like solar, wind, or water, hydro, the carbon footprint of EVs can be drastically lower than that of gasoline powered. Economic impact, fuel saving. EV owners typically less in fuel savings. Electricity is often cheaper than gasoline, and some charging stations offer fast charging solutions that make long distance travel more feasible. They also have lower maintenance costs. Lower maintenance costs, really? This is not going to be true, but let me dive inside and see what is being updated there. EV have fewer moving parts than gasoline vehicles, meaning they often require less maintenance. There is no need for oil change, and brake can last longer due to regenerative braking. Job creation in green technologies. The transition of electric vehicles creates jobs in manufacturing, batteries, production, and development of renewable energy sources as government push toward greener emissions. Economy, new industries can emerge. 3. They have technology advancement. EV vehicles, also known as EV technology, is advancing rapidly, especially in areas like battery efficiency, range, and charging infrastructure. For example, batteries are becoming lighter, cheap, and more efficient, allowing the longer driving ranges and faster charging times. So we got to put note about it. Now we are going to government approval of electric vehicles. Number one, because of that we have climate goals, health benefits, energy independence, technological leadership. These are the four basic things of government approval of electric vehicles. Now, the goal is to Many governments, especially in Europe and parts of Asia, have set ambitious climate goals. Transitioning of electric vehicles is a key strategy to reduce the transportation sector carbon emissions. 2. Health benefits. It's reducing air pollution from traditional vehicles can improve public health by reducing respiratory and cardiovascular disease. Health benefits. Reduces air pollution from traditional vehicles can improve public health by reducing respiratory and cardiovascular diseases related to pollution. Number 3, energy independence. Electric vehicles can reduce reliance on imported oil by encouraging domestic energy sources like solar, wind, and nuclear power. Number 4 is technology leadership. Many countries want to lead in the development and export of green technologies, including electric vehicles. So these are the reasons why government of many countries, especially EU countries, approval. Impact on petroleum industry. Decline in oil demand. We have global oil market. Drop shift in the oil industry. Alternative fuel and EVs integration. Effect on gasoline vehicles. It reduces market share. EV vehicles become more popular. Gasoline vehicles could still reduce market demand. Many automakers are already shifting towards electric, offering in countries with strong EV incentives. The market of traditional cars may decline in favor of cleaner alternatives. Transition period. The shift from gasoline vehicles to electric vehicles will likely take decades. In the short term, gasoline vehicles will still be in use, but over time their numbers will decrease as adoption of EV grows. Battery recycling and second hand EV market, blah 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 blah. We take note of that word. And in conclusion, advantages of electric vehicles. We have fewer moving parts, no oil change, regenerative braking, fuel costing saving, lower operating costs, environmental impact, zero emission, energy efficiency, tax incentive and rebates. We have technology and future advanced technology. We have water, Kaita ride, and let's see disadvantages of what electric vehicles. It has higher initial purchase price. That means it is very costly. While prices are falling in what technology, improved EV general still cost more upfront compared to gasoline cars, primarily due to the what expensive cost of battery. However, this is balanced out by the what lower operating cost over time. Number two, battery life and replacement cost. Battery degradation. Over time, the battery capacity can damage water, reducing what the driving range, and modern batteries are designed to last for many years, often 8 to 10 years. That is crucial, and that is what pretty cool or more. Replacing the battery can expensive. Battery replacement cost. Although the cost of battery has decreased, replacing a battery can still be a what significant expense on often thousands of dollars. However, EV vehicles can help what mitigate the cost. What limited driving range. These are some of the what disadvantages. Range anxiety. Despite improvement, many EVs still have a quite limit driving range than gasoline-powered vehicle. For long trips, charging stations might be less convenient, especially in rural or less developed areas. However, range is continually improving, and many EVs are now offer ranges that can exceed 300 miles on a single charge, and this is long charging time. It takes time to charge, while if it's petrol car, you can buy it and then you are good to go. So charging an EV at home can take several hours, while fast charging stations can reduce this time, but they will charge you an hour, but they are not as whispered as gas stations. This could be inconvenient for drivers who need to do recharge quickly. Charging infrastructure available of charging stations. Some of these have their charging plug-in, which you can direct plug-in to electricity, and it will also give you a cost. Repairs, unless you have specialized limited service centers are there, you have to put on about that higher repair costs. For specialized, they will charge you, and you have to put in your mind environment impact of battery production. Raw materials mining are there. Performance in extreme weather, it is also there. The cost of vehicles, EV vehicles repairs, battery related repairs are there. Electric motor is waiting for you. Inventor and charging companies are waiting for you. And then overall, EV tend to have lower repair and maintenance costs for things like oil change, exhaust system, and engine repairs, but they might face higher costs for battery replacements or repair of the electric drive system. Summary: these are the things advantages we have to know. Lower maintenance costs, no oil changes, fewer moving parts. These are the advantages. Reduced fuel costs, electricity is cheaper than gasoline. Zero tailpipe emissions, which help the environment. Tighter driving experience, incentives and rebates may reduce the initial purchase price. Advanced technology and features include over the air updates. Disadvantages, let's go there quickly. Higher upfront costs, especially for newer models. Limited driving range with potential range anxiety. Charging infrastructure is still growing and charging times can be slow. Battery degradation and high cost of battery replacement. Need for special repairs. Environment concern around battery production. Possible performance issues in extreme weather conditions. These are the things, and we will end this video. I think I have taken insight and explained better for you. If anything you don't understand in this video, make sure to put your comment in the comment section. I see you in the next video, and make sure you share, you like, you comment, subscribe to Eric Content Center. We have more content, undiluted video content for you coming 2025. See you and happy new year. Bye bye.
Hello, fam. Are you looking forward to own your own car, or you have been looking for a car on the internet, or you want to order a car and it has been a burden? The time is here for you to own your car without stress. GY Trading Company is here to help you get your dream car right to your doorstep. Relax and take a look at some of their cars. And when you are done, I'll give you their contacts. +81 9056477409. Contact them now and your car will be at your doorstep.